Hello, hello everyone. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nakita ko yung mic check na yan, Jun, ha? No, I'm actually just on mute, no? So guys, magandang gabi. Isang napakagandang gabi sa inyong lahat wherever you are. Welcome to the newbies. If you are a newbie to our channel, welcome to you. Welcome to the MirandaMiner show, wherein we discuss crypto news, fundamentals, technical charting, trader quotient in 45 minutes. No, we have been discussing a lot about BTC, and yesterday, our discussion is really big about the Fed. No, it's big about the Fed. There's gonna be supposed to be a meeting, and as far as I know, BTC is actually trying to test the 40k resistance. Let's see kung nagbago yan, And then today, did you guys see the new Miranda miner? The new Miranda miner with the laser eye, diba? The new laser eye, basically, if you're newbie to a cryptocurrency world, no, the BTC with the laser eye is signifying supporters of Bitcoin, and those who are supporting for Bitcoin to be at $100,000 each. Okay. So, anyways, greetings din sa aking mga moderators, sa aking mahal na mga moderators, lahat kayo. All of you guys, you are always in my isip, di ba? All of you, hindi ko kayo mabilang, ang dami nyo na, 21, 22 moderators na. So, thank you sa inyong lahat. Kay Daniel, I see you guys in our YouTube chat room today. Kay Daniel, kay Choi, kay Judex, no? Kay Galamax, who else is here, no? Yan, dami. So thank you guys, no? Thank you sa inyo. And then let's move on. And another part of our session today is I'm going to dedicate some of our sessions today into reading some of the questions in Facebook, because I have not been often active in Facebook, and I want to make sure that if you have questions in Facebook, masagot natin yan, papasadahan natin, and hoping that we're actually able to listen to that and read some of your comments and questions about that. No? And then, of course, another thing as well, no, kanina we tried to listen to the Twitter Spaces of Michael Saylor again, no, because there is a mining council. Basically, what happened there is just a readout, no, guys. I'm not sharing my screen yet. Just hold on tight. Basically, what happened there is basically a sharing of all representatives from different states. You know, they're just having a readout of the mining council's readout. If they're from Texas, if they're from the New York area, they have representatives for each of the state, and they're just reporting the state of mining. No, if are they using natural energy, etc., etc. It's really high level. And in fact, medyo nag-struggle dyan si Michael Saylor because it was the first time he was using Twitter Spaces, and he's actually using the same OBS like what Coach MirandaMiner is using today to do live stream. No? It's interesting, no? It's really interesting. So let me just go ahead and click my screen right now. Let me share my screen. Ayan. So same as that, he was using the same OBS platform. Nakakatuwa siya, no? I was about to jump in and teach him, hey, you need to click this. Anyways. All right, guys. So let's just quickly go with our news for today. Quick news for today, no? Let me just open my screen. There you go. Okay. From a news for today, of course, we don't have much updates yet on our Fed, no? What are the discussions about the Fed, meaning the Federal Reserve? But there's a lot of discussions about the potential. Of course, ang Fed di lang naman sila sa cryptocurrency, no? There's a lot of discussions about the Fed on the future of using bonds, etc., etc. You're also discussing about the policies on interest rates, etc., etc. So it's really a big discussion in the Fed. No, we were also hoping that during the Obama and Putin conference in Tense Summit, no, they're supposed to be hoping a mention of cryptocurrency, but walang lumabas during their conference. There's not much. There was only a discussion about a ransomware. A lot of discussions, obviously, about there's a geopolitical discussions between U.S. and Russia today. So I'm not really expecting a lot to be discussed about cryptocurrency during that summit. But at this point, medyo tahimik ang ating cryptocurrency space in terms of what could have been the next step. No, at the end of the day, cryptocurrency or Bitcoin is still currently sitting at, there's actually a bounce earlier of the BTC USDT. There was a little bit of a bounce earlier. Medyo nauntog yan, no? We were hoping that BTC is potentially going to be above the 0.618 resistance or support dun sa extension natin. Medyo nauntog yan dyan, no? Let me just remove the CCI, no, para makita ninyo. This is my Bitcoin chart, no? Apparently, obviously, nauntog yan, bumaba na naman, and it's actually trying to test this particular support. No, this is the zero point 0.5 Fibonacci extension support. Nauntog yan dyan, no? Baka magtuloy-tuloy ulit. We'll see, no? We'll see. It's currently forming a lot of falling knives and hoping that this bounces on this particular support. No? Pagkatapos niyang bumagsak from this particular resistance, bumagsak hanggang pababa, sinalo ng 0.5, the $38,583. Sinalo yan, no? And then the other coins have followed formation. The other coins followed formation. Okay? So at the end of the day, for the most part, and when I look at the volume, I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, no? There's not much volume for the past couple of hours. Medyo naliliitan ako sa volume na to, no? I think what's happening is the people are just on the lookout on any pronouncements from the Fed, no? On what could potentially be the direction of the coin, no, from a cryptocurrency standpoint. And then for the most part, I what I know today is that obviously yesterday we discussed the potential of the death cross, pero hindi lumalaban si Bitcoin, lumalaban, and there's no significant volume to say that there is going to be a material direction. There is a material direction of the trend. No, I don't necessarily see that this is going to be downwards, especially there's no volume. But we have yet to see more. No, what's interesting, what's really really interesting is that the power of our Fibonacci is obviously it's without seeing the chart, kung ganyan pa lang yung chart, hindi mo naman alam na magbabounce yan sa 0.618, no? Or mauuntog sa 0.618. Talagang it's nire-respect niya yung 0.618 line, no? And then of course it's also respecting the 0.786 resistance, no? Which is also the resistance of the previous candle here, no? So we'll see about that, no? We will see about that. And I'm actually really hoping that we could potentially see a recovery, because yesterday, based on our RSI, based on what we've spoken yesterday, we're actually seeing a divergence. No? We're seeing a divergence here. We look at the RSI 30. No, we're seeing a divergence because the trend line is actually forming a higher low formation, but the candles are actually forming a higher high formation, a higher high formation. So parang at the end of the day, parang you gotta ask yourself, bakit siya nagpo-form ng higher high formation? Sabi nga sa mga estudyante ko kanina, parang ano yan, parang merkado versus DTI. Si RSI is your DTI, no? Sabi ng market, sabi ng Miss Market, o teka lang, let's raise the price of the bigas. Let's put the bigas to be around 40 pesos. Tinaas nila, for example, $40,000. Let's say 40 pesos yung bigas. Pero sabi ng DTI, teka lang, we need to do price control. Dapat mali yung tinataas yung price. That's unusual, no? So sabi ng DTI, you need to correct the price. It should go down. And apparently, the market followed. It went down. The price went down. So parang ganun yung simple story behind your RSI and your price, your candle formation. All right. And again, we see we see a resistance here na gustong basagin ni BTC. What's interesting here already is after this particular left bearish divergence. No? We're now seeing alignment in our candle formation and RSI. But we'll see. No, don't let's not just be really confident about this. There's a lot of things to happen, and I don't necessarily see value on the volume. Sobrang baba ng volume. All right, sobrang baba ng volume, and yeah. So yon, and then from a crypto perspective, I've been really looking for anything that's new. There's really not much that's new for the most part, no, from a news perspective. No, Bitcoin, any other news policies and regulations, it's almost all the same. Obviously, ang ilan lang dyan is obviously si Shiba Inu, may mga bago tayong pumasok, new entry sa ating Coinbase. Sinong mga nag-Shiba Inu dito? No, we have our Shiba Inu, we have our new Coinbase listing, no? Coinbase listing of new other altcoins, no? Altcoins like Shiba and other altcoins. And then if we look at other news today, let's look at Polkadot. There's a good news about Polkadot most recently. Okay, we're looking for that. Yan. Ayan, no? So another first for Polkadot as Kusama Council approves first parachain slot auction. Not necessarily a big news for me. Watch out Solidity. New project aims to tackle downsides of coding DeFi projects. Yan. And then Polkadot, price soars 37% after Coinbase Pro dot listing first parachain auction. So magandang news yan, no? Aside from Shiba, you also have your Polkadot listing. No? Ang dami-daming not BTC related news for the past 24 hours. So I hope that nakita nyo yan. You're able to see all of that when they entered, and then some of them actually tried to break out. No, I think si Shib kahapon pumalo ng almost point 0.9, no, from 0.887. I think it's currently. Let me open the cryptocurrency price today. Okay, so obviously Bitcoin is currently on a consolidation of 38,522. I think your strong support is your 38,000. Medyo marami natakot dyan kahapon if it goes down. Baka tumuloy-tuloy pababa, no? Sinalo ng 38,300 kahapon, no? And then, if you look at, Ethereum is still at 2372. Both at single-digit volatility at 3.33% and 6.2% for the past 7 days and 24 hours respectively. Ang price niya is at 2372. Binance Coin is at $352.87. Both are actually below the 5% volatility at 0.55 and 2.23 for the past 24 and 7 days respectively. Cardano is at is shy at 1.49. Kahapon 1.52. Mawat pa ng 1.57. So we'll see. We'll see about that. No? Dogecoin 0.30. Napaka-tame ng ating Dogecoin today. I think one of the peak was only at 0.32. No? 0.32. XRP is at 0.84. Also on the single-digit volatility. All of the altcoins are actually on the single-digit volatility, which is really, really good. At the end of the day, there's a lot of. I think there's a lot of. Um, observations, or they're just observing. They're not putting their positions yet because everyone is waiting for the Fed announcements after the meeting earlier. Okay, all right. And Shiba actually tried to recover, but it went down again to 0.789. No? Tried to recover, and of course we spoke about Polkadot earlier. Let's try to look for that. Polkadot is at 2.50 negative and 1.51 negative. Although I would say even if it's bearish, medyo itong coin na to is lumalaban. No? There is a potential for this coin. No? Every time that a coin gets listed, there's a potential new market that is opened for them to be able to trade the coin. Okay, for them to trade the coin. All right, so let's move on. As I promised, I'm going to read some comments and questions in our Facebook groups today. para makita naman natin kung may mga questions tayong we're not able to answer yet. Obviously, greetings sa ating members in Team Miranda Miner Binance Profitable Group. And of course, greetings din sa ating mga moderators sa ating Discord channel. Sila Galamax, no? Sila Zed, no? Sila Luke, no? And sino-sino pa. Marami kayong mga moderators yan. So thank you sa inyong support. Si Ramen. Moderator na ba si Ramen? Moderator na ba siya? Tingin ko moderator na yan eh. No? Dami ng na-inspire sa kanya, di ba? Is it about time? Anyways. All right. Let's go on with some of our questions with Facebook today, no? All right. Thank you again for Choi for creating this way to organize our Facebook channel today. Thank you, moderator Choi. Tama yan, we need to organize. So if you click on newbie, yan, click nyo lang yung mga popular topics. No, if you wanted to have a question, yan, tag nyo lang hashtag, yan, follow nyo yung suggestion niya, step 1, step 2, etc. Okay? Now, question dito, has anyone tried liquid swap using stable coin? All right, someone already answered. Okay, nag-reply si Nita. Okay, there is a liquidity swap there. Good. I made a reminder there, no? Okay. Let's move on. Evander, quadruple double Halmachi MACD. Ang dami naman ito. Akala ko triple double lang, quadruple double pala. Very, very good. Ito yata yung kaninang testimony sa klase, no? So, Halmachi MACD, breakout fib, coach, smooth. Practice. Good job. Special thanks to my companions, Brother Max, Brother Luke, Brother Ramen. Wow, may mga brothership na pala dyan, ha? Galing, ha? Ayan, so yun, profitable. Really, really good. Congratulations. Congrats on your win. Yan, si moderator Daniel nag-reply. Congratulations. All right. Good day, coach and friends. So we're all considering 15 minutes time frame to enter a parabolic play. I am just waiting for the parabolic play for 1 hour. Pwede naman. Pwede naman. Kung ikaw ay pag lumabas sa'yo si RSI 30 sa 15, okay lang yun. Optional yun. You could enter that. Pwede yun. Okay, let's move on. After watching all of Coach MirandaMiner videos, final kapag-trade din ako. Tried spot kaso maliit ang kita. Also naipit ako kahapon, so hodl ko muna ngayon. I decided to try futures. I earned $12 in 3 trades. While working, I need more understanding on futures, more practice, charting, but still thank you, coach. Ay, maraming salamat din, ha. Profit is profit. 8.7, 1.43. Oh, congratulations. Ang galing. And very, very good, no? Malaki na yan. That's already a good, especially if it's only a 1-day trade, no? Nag-trade ka ng alas 9, natapos ka ng alas 12, 3 hours. Hindi ka kikita ng ganyang kalaki, no? $12, almost 600 pesos. In 3 hours sa mapupulutin niya. Congratulations. If you have questions about futures, punta ka sa playlist ni Coach. Meron akong how to trade futures. Kompleto yon. Medyo mahaba nga yun, no? In-explain ko lahat. Ano yung funding fee, ano yung index price, ano yung mark price. You need to all understand before you even trade. And of course, don't forget, no? Anong score, guys? Pa-type sa comment below. Anong score? Anong score dapat mo sa aking questionnaire before you even trade futures? Sige nga, let's do a quick quiz. Let's do a quick quiz, guys. Ano ang time frame? Ano ang time frame? Anong score mo dapat? Anyone who could answer sa chat room, what is your score before you can actually try to trade futures using my questionnaire? Okay, tama. It's 33. Thank you. Congratulations. Ang galing, ha? But you could do if you have 17, that's the only time you could trade spot, no? You cannot trade anything except future. You could trade anything except futures but if your score is 17 up to 32. If you score a 33, so mag-assessment ka muna sa PICO or PICO, no? But congratulations sa'yo, no? Mahalaga yung i-check mo yung questionnaire because I have some reminders there, no? Not everyone's built for futures. Okay. I didn't trade yesterday, but why is my daily P&L negative? What is the determined of ano? What? Okay. Wala naman po akong trade kahapon. Ano po ang determine noon pagbaba ng market at nung crypto ko na naka-hold? Okay. That's what you call volatility. Tama si moderator Nida, no? It's volatility, it's paper loss, no? Meaning, kung wala kang trade pero nag-iwan ka ng position doon sa iyong spot, meron kang positions dyan, of course, magbabago yung price no? It's only paper. It's called paper loss. For example, you bought 100 XRP, no? Ang presyo ng XRP was, let's say, 0.82, no? Tapos, the next day, the price of XRP became 0.81. So, obviously, you lost some value of your XRP, but you still have 100 XRP. Hindi nagbago yon, no? It's only your XRP value, no? It's what that has changed. So that is one thing that could have contributed to your P&L. And of course, if you have other subscriptions like you have earnings, you have Binance Earn, makaka-apekto rin sa P&L mo yun. Alright? Tama yung si moderator nila. Alright. This was my trade yesterday, so let's move on past to that. Alright. Please help and thank you in advance. Why is it that even if it's 2 and 350, may Tagalog ba to? Ayun. Bakit po kaya kahit dalawa siya, 350 na capital, each coin isolated short sell, ang liit ng gains? Pag binawasan ko naman leverage, lalong lumiliit. Lalong lumiliit ang gains. So this one, you have 350. So you have $7. Parang hindi naman siya maliit. Kasi if you have a $7 margin, and your unrealized profit is $5.69, that's 74.18% already. No? That's already 17 for 7.53 of your initial capital. So medyo mataas na yan. Anong maba? Okay, let me just double check muna na yung question niya. No? Alright, pero pag 500 pa lang profit, kahit 2 hours na siya at dalawa naman naka-short, ano po kaya ang mali sa settings ko? Hindi ko mag-gets yung question niya, guys. Do you understand her question? Sige, balikan. I don't understand the question. Baka ma-misinterpret ko yung sagot ko. Alright. So, maliit daw ang capital. Kahit dalawa siya at 350, isolated, ang liit ng gains. So, pag binawasan ko naman leverage, anong lumiliit? So, I max the leverage para tumaas. Naka 125x na nga siya. Grabe naman tong trader na to. Galing. Tapos kumita na siya ng $5. Almost double your money na. Ethereum siya, no? Okay. 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 Alam ko na yung sagot. Okay, I think I know the answer now, no? Kapag kasi kayo nagtitrade, if you guys are trading, if you wanted to maximize the gains, you need to trade the penny coins. Bakit? Kasi if you trade the Ethereums of the world or you trade Bitcoins of the world, ang price kasi niyan, for example, isipin nyo ha, ang 1%, ang 1% ng 4,000, no? Ng 4,000 is umaabot ng 40. 40 percentage points, 40 points, no? Pero ang 1%, ang 1% ng 0.83 na XRP, diba? Is 0.008. So much volatile ang penny, much volatile yung smaller value na coin. So much kung gumalaw ng 2% yung XRP, ilang decimals lang yun. Pero yung 2% ng Ethereum, it needs to move around 80 points. And I think it's law of percentages, no? Mas volatile ang mga penny coins than Bitcoin na $38,000, tapos si Ethereum for umaabot ng 2,500. So ganon, medyo may ganung factor, no? Pag ikaw ay nagte-trade ng malakihang coins, mahaba yung galaw, mahaba yung percentage spread mo. So sana nakatulong sa iyo yung sagot na yan. No? So sometimes tama ka, you need to max out the You need to max out the pero ingat ka din, ang grabe namang tatag nito 125x, grabe. Parang hindi bear yung market. Galing niya, Congratulations, Naili, Galing-galing mo. Alright. Okay, Lukin. Sino si Lukin Alexander Leo? Ano ba 'to, Amerikano ba 'to? Let me check. Di ko sigurado sa ginagawa ko minsan, pero salamat sa jowa ko na nakilala ko sa'yo na pagpakila sino pong jowa nito? Magpakilala ka nga sa akin. At salamat pinakilala mo ako sa girlfriend mo, So, salamat. Okay, nakatulong pala tayo sa kanya. Alright, so sana natuto ka. Hindi ko alam, hindi mo sinabi kung anong system mo dito, no? You did not say, but we'll see, no? But thank you again sa comment mo for your questions. No? Alright, let's do this. Yan, we already have updated the file on how to navigate the YouTube lessons. Alam nyo na yan, May 15. Okay. Thank you sa kind comment. Ezekiel, maraming salamat. Sana nga matuto ka na mag-trade. Salamat, salamat. Mina Lacson, thank you din. I started scrolling and checking this community just today, pero grabe ang support and teachings niyo, sir. Maraming salamat po sa kind comments. Thank you. God bless you. At ito yung nakita, sumali yung Raccoon May pagsali si Raccoon sa mga ganitong listening sessions. So para kasi syempre, we need to make sure that your coach MirandaMiner is updated on what's happening anywhere, no? Hindi lang tayo Philippines, no? We need to be showing and giving you updates that are global because it's a crypto trading and crypto mining discussion. So yon. So thank you sa mga nag-comment. Kailangan natin gawin yan. We need to be part of those discussions. And thank you sa inyong support. We will be joining those types of conversations para ako yung nagre-re-echo sa inyo ng mga ganyan types of information. No? Alright? So yan, may makikita kayong the only one and only raccoon in the group of people. No? One and only raccoon on the group of people. All right, let's move on. Hi guys, I want to share my experience to somehow change people's mindset. This is not technical analysis, but rather encouragement to not let fears control you. Okay? I am not a pro trader, but it was a good experience for me to exercise my patience and do trust a bit self more. Okay, let's do this. All right. I trusted my technical analysis already going negative. Totoo yan. Totoo tong pinost niya. Totoo yan. Totoo naman yan, no? And I have also the same videos, no? If you trust your process, kahit mag-negative ka, babawi yan. No? As long as huwag kang nervyusin sa pagtitrade. Pero ito guys, ito ang real talk ko sa inyo, no? Kapag ikaw beginner, ano yan gawin mo ng tuition fee mo sa trading experience yung first trade para hindi ka ma-trading shock. Kailangan there's always gonna be a first time to trade. No, naniniwala ba kayo na rin, guys? Do you guys believe on that? Do you guys believe on that na if you're actually trading, if you're a beginner and you have not experienced the thrill of trading, parang you're not a trader. Diba? So I think as a beginner, you need to invest on that. There's always going to be a first time. And kahit let's say $1, $2, or $10 in spot, edi at least you have tried to click the buy button. No? You tried to click the sell button. No, charge it to experience, mali no? And it is what it is. At least na experience mo, you have something to tell your child. Oh, nagkamali ako dyan. At least na-experience ka mag-order. Diba? You guys agree? So, ganun, no? Alright. Alright. Thank you sa mga moderators. You're answering the questions here already. Thank you. Alright. I hope it's real, but it's just paper money. I just practiced and I'm already an instant millionaire. First try using paper money in trading view. It's scary, but more if you really do it. Exactly. Totoo yan. I mean, bakit ka nakakapag-trade ng malakas? Kasi hindi mo naman pera, no? Hindi mo siya pera, no? But if it's your money already, that's where the nervousness comes in, no? Alright? Okay. Very good. Tama to si Judex. May calculator sa Binance. Congratulations. Thank you. Alright. Pag matagal ang posisyon, ni-discuss ko 'to kahapon, merong mga funding fees, no? May funding fees na tinatawag, no? There's a staying fee sa contract, no? Kumbaga nagbabayad ka ng kontrata, it's a contract, eh. Alright? I just wanna ask if this commission for it's really decreasing, realize my PN. Yeah. This is what you call the commission on futures, no? This is what you call the
ALMACCI as powerful coach shared DTPFRM ADA.
Oh, okay, thank you. Hey, June. Thank you naman sa trick profit sharing ka na naman dyan, ha? Thank you, ha? Almachi is powerful coach. Shared the take profit from Ada. Maraming salamat. Ikaw naman. Masyado mo pa akong inaabala. Salamat dyan. Ingat ka dyan sa Singapore. Tsaka thank you din kay Jessica Villanueva sa super chat, ha? Maraming salamat. Salamat po sa inyo, sa inyong suporta. Alright. Good morning. I made a simplified computation for take profit and stop loss in Binance. Can you confirm if it's correct? Let me check. Leverage, 10x capital, total investment in USDT, 100 times 10, take profit. Yes, kung 1%. Ano mo, yes. So, 12.50, 10, 125x, 1,025, correct? Kung 125, no, ang power magiging 1, 2, tama ba? Calculator, teka lang Tama, 1,250. Tama, okay. Tama yan. 1% niya is... Oo, tama. Okay. Kasi technically, ang ginawa mo dyan, ito ginawa mo, no? Kumbaga, yung 1% mo, in reverse, ang ginawa mo ganito. In reverse, ang ginawa mo dyan, ano ba? Ano ang 1% ng $10? Diba? Ano ang 1% ng $10? That's 1. Ang 10%. Pero, meron siyang 1 centavo or 0.1. Diba? Times mo ng 125 yung 0.1. Right? That is $12.5. Kumbaga, binaliktad mo lang, minultiply mo yung profit doon sa leverage. Okay? Pero syempre, mabayad ka pa din ng fees dyan. Mabayad pang fees yan. Okay? Alright, let's move on. Thank you, Coach. 14 wins, 2 losses. Ang galing mo naman. Jonathan Bartolome, ang galing Congratulations. Okay, galing. Alright. Let me do this. No other questions. Ayan, nag-comment tayo kahapon. Kailan kahapon to, no? Alas 7 ng gabi. Sabi natin, hindi kinaya ng 0.618 Guys, ito yung post natin, bumaba. Hindi kinaya eh. Ano talaga yung ugali ni bearish divergence. Tapos, talagang binaba niya, no? 'Di ba? We were able to say na bababa talaga siya. Kung ikaw, nagkaroon ka ng short selling, di kumita ka na dyan. Nag-short sell ka dyan, no? Bumaba eh. 'Di ba? Sinalo ng 0.5, ng 38,328, 'di ba? Ang galing ni bearish, ang galing ng kaliwete, no? Ayan, no, sabi niya nasa 38K na daw. Ang galing. All right. Can we use Halmachi on day? No. Halmachi is a scalping strategy. All right? Sino nag-comment? Albert Kapinpin. Thank you. Thank you for commenting, Albert. Tama yung binigay mo, no? So, thank you for giving that. All right. Fib retracement. Let me check. Pwede. Pag pag nauntog na yan, ang i-fib mo na yung pataas. Pwede to. Anong oras ba to? 30 minutes. Bet. Hindi ko nakita yung kabilang chart eh. I wanted to see sana kung saan to nanggaling yung pinakadulo. Para malaman ko kung tama siya. No? But by the looks of it, this seems correct. If you're trying to measure yung hanggang saan aakit yung point, yung pataas na yan, yung small upward trend na yan. Okay? Other questions? I'm curious. I just use 1 minute time frame in TradingView. Is it real normal that the candle is not recent? Question muna is, ikaw ba ay nagtitrade ng futures? Kasi kung futures ang tinitrade mo, you should be looking at perp. Yung may perpetual na suffix. Pag hindi, okay lang na walang suffix. The problem kasi guys sa mga TradingView, Investagrams, sila ay naka-connect sa tinatawag nating API, no? API means ito yung ginagamit ng mga technology na rin ng Amazon Web Services, ng isang database. Parang yung isang database is maka-connect sa isang actual na tool, no? Kasi ang technically ang Investagrams or TradingView is a reporting database, no? Hindi naman sila trading database. So parang ang reporting database is maka-connect sa GUI ng isang trading tool. Gumagamit sila ng API technology, no? So since sila ay nagda-download lang ng information sa isang trading tool like Binance, sila ay may potential na lag. Meron silang kahit sa kahit sa stock market no sa Philippines. For example, si BDO Nomura, si BPI Securities, si Metrobank Metro Securities, no? Mga trading brokerages 'yan, no? Si COL, no? Financial. They have their own trading platforms, no? Pero si Investagram, nakakonect lang sila kay stock market. Sila yung bumabasa ng takbo ng stock market, no? Alright? So sila yung merong potential lag yan, no? But I think ko millisecond lang ang lag niyan. Alright? Okay. Let's do some questions. Itong trading journal, very very good. Eller sa Wave 1, no? Pinost natin to. Congratulations, Salamat sa support mo, Eller. Congratulations. Intermediate Wave 1, congratulations. Alright. Tapos bukas, guys, ay sa Saturday, interviewin natin si Mr. Fib, no? From Intermediate Wave 1, ang kanyang testimony. Bakit effective? Bakit 100% win rate? Grabe, 100% win rate. No? Tapos ito yung kinomentan ko. Bakit, sabi niya rito, before I took a bath tonight, I entered the Golden Cross. 30 minutes after, paglabas niya ng bathroom, 100% investment. Sabi niya, tumaas daw yung pera niya. Grabe naman tong invest. Ito yung kaninang 125x no? Ikaw, Niley, napakagaling mo Ito yung pinakamahal mong ligo, no? Naligo ka lang, meron ka ng kinita. Ang galing Very good Alright. Okay. It's 10:37. Let me answer questions in YouTube today. Questions in YouTube. G, makaipon lang talaga, enroll talaga. Hahaha. Okay. Looking forward to see you there, okay? Try Bingbon app for paper trading. Just Mark Baguio. Coach, delay ba talaga ang Investagram? Oo, may pagka-delay yan. Minsan. Thank you very much, Ma'am Choi. Uy, mayroon ng admirer si Ma'am Choi. Thank you daw. Keep safe daw, Ma'am Choi. Yan. Let's move on. Jesse Orca. Meron siyang for PC version. Trading View, you couldn't use Investagram. Teka lang, ang mga napakasisipag kong Teka lang. Daniel, tingnan mo yung iyong pangalan sa YouTube. Meron ka ng wrench. Thank you. Pindutin mo yung tatlong tuldok, sabi ni Galamax. Ito talaga, alam mo guys, si Galamax. Can we all say, guys, can we all say good luck to Galamax, please? Can we say good luck to him? Good luck Board exam yan sa engineering. No? Board exam yan sa engineering. Tumutulong pa din yan. Kung saan kumukuha ng lakas yung batang yan. Board exam, good luck natin sa good luck Pasa mo yan. Your engineering board exam, good luck, good luck, good luck to you. We all wish you all the best. Okay? How to compute for ADL? ADL, pag ikaw ay profitable, dalawang factors lang, no? Kasi napakahabang computation yan. Okay, napakahabang computation yan. Or tops, no? Kasi yung sigma 7 raised to the summation of sigma 7 multiplied to the function of x over y. Pang ganun yung formula niyan Pero in short, dalawa lang yan. Dalawang formula lang, no? Kung sobrang profitable ka na, okay, in this case, ang kata mo, 82% profitability. Okay? Tapos, ang tagal-tagal mo na dyan, nagsistay ka dyan, ayaw mo pang kunin yung pera mo, sisipain ka na ni Binance palabas. I-auto-deleverage ka niya, bababaan niya na yung position mo. Auto-deleverage queue yun. Kasi kailangan niya i-maintain yung bahay niya is healthy. Hindi siya pwedeng napakaraming profitable people na nag-hoard lang ng profit. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Kailangan niyang paalisin palabas. para ma-maintain niya yung healthy mix of shorters and buy long. Okay? Ay, good. Uy, ang dami nagmamahal kay Galamax, oh. Oh, 'di ba? Uy, Galamax, maraming salamat sa iyo, ha. Alright. Mag-celebrate tayo yung mga estudyante ng engineering dito, ah. Good luck. Tapos ang tawag namin sa iyo next time, Engineer Galamax ka na. Oh, alam mo na 'yan, ha. 'Di ba? Oh, good luck sa iyo, ha. Good luck Gala Whale daw. Good luck sa iyo, no. Salamat, guys. Siguro in a nutshell, ang dami nating nabasa, no. We just only went down. Pasensya na kayo if I don't reply often at napakamaraming salamat sa ating mga moderators who are replying, no. I just wanted to share with you guys that we will continue as a family, we will continue as a team, we will continue to teach the newbies, we will continue to support you. Reminder, ang dami nating video. Pag kayo nalilito, wag biglain. We have so many videos already, and every day I'm adding and adding more videos. It's not because I want to overwhelm you, no, but it's obviously because may mga estudyante kasi ako na alam na yung mga sistema ni coach. Naku, siguro mas na-overwhelm ka nung pangalawang week ko pa lang, nag-discuss na ako ng FIB, no? Siguro nalunod, di nyo na ako finalo. No? So, we're trying to be very, very minimalistic in our approach. Hindi naman kasi paramihan ng system yan. No? If you ask other mentors, they will not teach you 10,000 tips. They will teach you 2 to 3 strategies that will make you profitable. No? Itatandaan niyo guys na today is still a bear market. No? If you're profiting, then good job to you. Good job to you. If you're not, then understand ano yung mga losses mo. No? Ano yung mga losses. At the end of the day, it's still a bear market. And kahit gaano ka kagaling, you will still have your losses. What's important is you understand saan ka nagkamali. No? And then your rational self comes out. No? And sa aking mga estudyante, no, just kapit lang, no? Kapit. Maraming mga natututo, maraming mga naghahabol. That's fine. That's fine. At the end of the day, we are all students of the market. Okay, the market will humble you, the market will teach you, no? We are gonna be created based on how we deal with the market, the way we deal with the crypto market, no? But how would you know yourself if you don't deal with the market? How would you know yourself if you don't trade? Diba? Diba? So yun. So at the end of the day, there's gonna be a lot of questions, no? Sorry din sa hindi ko nare-replyan. Ang dami nyo. Sa aking mga anak-anakan dyan sa Discord, no? Alam ko you rarely see me now, but I appreciate the presence of the moderators there who's answering questions for us. Okay? Sa mga newbies, no? Yon. So with that said, meron pa bang questions sa chat room today? Oo, magkaiba siya, Hi Kinashi, no? Magkaiba yung price. It's a different price, Hannes. By the way, anong estudyante kita, Hannes? Anong batch ka? Can you remind me? Sa next batch ka pa yata, no, Hannes, no? So, magkaiba yan. Magkaiba yung price because High Kinashi candles are actually trying to smoothen the price. No? It's removing the gap up and gap down of the price. Mas makikita mo yung formation ng moving averages. Okay? Yon. Good luck sa iyong engineering exam. Hi, Milka. Hello. Thank you for joining, Milka. Good luck, Galamax. When Lambo after pumasa. Nabasa niyo na ba yung book? Oo. Rene, ikaw ba yung nag-comment sa akin sa Twitter? Rene Luis Sanchez. It's a very, very, very good book. Hindi ko ito na-replyan. Guys, if you have time, no, may mga audiobook naman eh. To be honest with you, before I started my channel, I really wanted to put a book review. Para hindi nyo nabasahin yung book. Ako na lang yung pakinggan nyo. Ang ganda ng the Bitcoin standard. You guys need to, okay, ang assignment nyo lang, lahat kayong assignment nyo sa akin, if you guys have not read the book, please find the Bitcoins. If you're from the States, you order na lang siguro sa Amazon. No? But we actually have some audiobooks, no? Audiobooks, maganda yan, magandang book yan. It's about, the history of, mas ma-appreciate mo si value ng Bitcoin, no? Its created author is Saifidian Amos or Amo. You read that book, no, or you look for an audio copy. I think meron na sa Shopee nito. Order na kayo sa Shopee or sa Audible ebooks ng Lazada. It's actually talking about yung mga first 7 chapters na, if I'm not mistaken. It's talking about the history of currencies. History of currency. Dinidiscuss doon. It's giving you an idea of ano yung evolution ng currency, bakit siya important, no? Why is nagsimula sa gold, no? Ano yung money history? Obviously, before we're using gold metals. It's the higher the type of the metal, the better product that you could buy, no? The better money that you have, the better products that you could get, no? So yun tinuro yun doon. However, kasi ang problema kasi ng ano, meron siyang sinabing tatlong factors ng uh, for a money to be able to be used long term, no? Kasi pag ang pera hindi niya na-meet ang tatlong factor na ito, hindi siya scalable, no? Ang sabi doon sa book na 'yon, i-discuss ko na ng mabilis, no? Ang sabi doon sa book na 'yon, ayan si Judex, I think. Ayan ba yung Judex? Ayan ba yung YouTube ng audiobook? Yan, okay. Mabilis discuss ko lang ng mabilis, no? Sabi doon sa book na 'yon, there are three there are three types of considerations, no, for a money to be usable, no, and scalable. Sabi niya, money should be divisible, right? Number two, there should be space considerations. No? Number three, it should be scalable over time. So for example, yung iPhone. Okay, iPhone, di ba? It's a very very expensive device, no? But kumpara mo ang iPhone sa isang bahay, right? Mas malaki ang bahay, it provides more space. The iPhone can only be as good as within where it's occupying itself, no? Ang iPhone ba madi-divide mo? 'Di ba sabi number one, money should be divisible, no? You cannot divide iPhone into 10 pieces, 'di ba? And scalable siya. So because of that, in a very nutshell, sinabi dun sa book na 'yon na si gold is a good type of money, no? Good type of money. Kasi gold can be divided, can occupy space and can be scalable over time. However, in the future, kumbaga, yun yun, yung first 7 chapters, diniscuss doon yung evolution ng money. Maganda yun guys, you need to learn that kasi yung first few chapters, it will tell you talaga ano yung evolution. Simula sa pinakaunang era of money, diba? Hanggang nag-evolve. Tapos yung pinakahuling chapter ang maganda, it talks about Bitcoin. No? Tatandaan ninyo kasi, like, I'm telling you, if you read that book, right? Okay, if you read kahit mga audiobook lang, you will buy Bitcoin tomorrow. I'm telling you. You will buy Bitcoin tomorrow. Right? So be ready. Handa mo na yung capital mo. You will buy Bit. You will fall in love with the coin. Let me tell you that. You will start putting a laser eye in your icon. No? Why? Because you will appreciate more kasi 'di ba ang Bitcoin ano yan based on supply and demand yan, 'di ba? Nung unang panahon, ang gold pinag-aagawan, no? Hanggang nagkaroon na ng mga councils, nagkaroon na ng mga laws, etc. just to organize, no? And right now, who has the most number of gold is the powerful country, 'di ba? That's the same thing right now. Who has the most number of Bitcoin? Knowing Bitcoin is going to be the future liquid gold. Whoever has the most will become a decision maker. Ang problema kasi diyan, si Bitcoin limited ang supply. 21 million lang siya, 'di ba? So that's why people, sabi ko nga sa post ko kahapon sa Facebook, yung mga tao, yung mga retailers, right? They keep on selling. Merong isang kumpanya bili ng Bitcoin, $400 million, 'di ba? So why is a big company like that, buying more Bitcoin? Because it has a future. So panoorin mo 'yan. Yan, thank you Judex for sharing, no. Maganda 'yan. You guys need to listen to that. And of course, no, expand your knowledge as a trader. Hindi ka lang trader, you should know what's cryptocurrency. So I hope I was able to answer your question. Maganda yung question ni Rene, no? Thank you for that. Sana natulungan kita. No? Was a really, 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 really good book. Panoorin mo yan. Bili ka niyan. Bili ka. Para at least mahawakan mo if you're a tactile person. Alright? Okay. So, I think wala na tayong questions. No? Alright. Hey, musician. Hello, hello, hello. Ayan. O yan, okay din kay Mike Maloney. Okay din yan. Good, good, good. Alright. Alright. Team Gritcoin. Hey, Richard. Thanks for joining. Okay, last question kay Bagsik. Coach, pag spot trader, ano po bang indicator kung hanggang kailan magda-dump si BTC? Aside from breakout, hindi ko kasi ma-maximize yung pagbili sa dump. Bababa pa pala. Ganun naman talaga ang challenge, no? Ayan ang challenge ng trend follower. You could never get the lowest price. No, alam ng mga estudyante ko yan. Isa sa mga challenge yan, no? You could only be as nearest to the lowest, no? Of course, gamit ka ng MACD. Use your MACD. No, kapag hindi pa tumuturo pataas, it will further go down. Pagsik. Okay? Tandaan mo yan. Tulad ng example ko kanina yan. Bumaba pa lalo. Okay? Alright guys, hey, let me just quickly check kung may pagbabago ang ating currency today. Nag-bounce na. May pag-bounce na ulit. May pag-bounce na naman siya. Grabe naman tong Fibonacci na to. Oh? Nakita niyo yan, guys? Doon lang siya umiikot eh. Doon lang siya umiikot. Ang galing oh. Doon lang siya umiikot. Doon siya umiikot. Tapos, syempre, nag-form na naman siya ng bounce. Oh. So, alam niyo na yan ha. O, nag-bounce dito. Tapos, nag-halmachi dito. Alam na yung gagawin. Alright? Okay guys, maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you so much for your love and support. Renee, sige, i-read mo yung book na yan. Tapos, sige, interviewin kita. Interviewin ko kayo. Mag-share kayo ng lessons learned nyo sa book na yan, no? Para you guys could, I hope I could interview you sa show na to. Yan, para at least kayo hindi na si Coach magsabi, ma-appreciate niyo yung book. Napakagandang book yan. Ako, you're not a cryptocurrency believer if you have not read that book. And thank you for reminding me of that, okay? Guys, Coach MirandaMiner loves all of you. Welcome if you're a newbie to my channel. Please, guys, tulungan nyo naman si Coach. Paki-like po ng ating show today. Paki-like po naman po ng show today. Pa-click ng like button, no? And then please, paki-share po ng ating channel sa inyong mga friends. We're trying to hit the goal of 20,000 subscribers by end of the month sana. Tulungan nyo si Coach, please. Mag-share tayo ng kahit 10 tao na pwedeng mag-subscribe and also learn sa ating system, no? And matulungan din natin sila bilang mga newbies. Alright? Okay, sa aking mga estudyante, see you tomorrow and have a good rest of your night, guys. And I love all of you, okay? Coach MirandaMiner loves all of you guys. Thank you so much.